Send an email in Gmail. This feature can be a real lifesaver if you've sent a message you want to take back. First, open Gmail and click the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small cog or gear. From the quick settings menu, click See All Settings to access the full configuration options. In the settings menu, under the General tab, find the Undo Send section. Here you'll see the Send Cancellation Period option. Click the drop-down menu to select how long you'll have to retract your email. Options typically range from 5 to 30 seconds. For a good balance, select 20 seconds. Scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This ensures your undo send setting is applied correctly. Now, head back to your Gmail inbox and click the Compose button to draft a new email. Fill in the recipients, subject line, and message content as usual. After sending your email, look for the small notification bar at the bottom left of the screen. Click Undo within the time frame you set, in this case 20 seconds, to retract your email before it reaches the recipient. And that's it. You've now learned how to unsend emails in Gmail. With this simple setup, you can manage your messages with greater confidence and peace of mind.